Opens up your nose 80% more than nasal strip. So essentially what it does, it opens up your nose to its widest capacity so you can breathe like you've never breathed before. Do I want that? Let's try it out. So obviously you're gonna attach something to your nose, so you have to clean it. So it comes with this. I guess it's for different nose sizes. Wait, do I have a big nose? Let's open this thing up. Pow. This is what you're gonna attach to your nose. So it has this magnetic applicator, so you gotta take the strip off.
I guess you put it right above the nostril.
Okay, it's on. Let's see. Holy Alright, this shit crazy. This is kind of like a vibe. Like, I could feel like this could be a trend in a couple years. Check me out. What's up, shorty? It brings a nice element. Like, imagine matching your fits with this. I'll be fire. Nah, but for real, this shit's crazy. I'm gonna leave this on for the rest of the day and see what it does. I feel like they use this at Diddy's house.